Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome shadow blur frame on CapCut PC. So you are just going to copy and paste your videos. Copy and paste it. On the second one you're going to make it I guess smaller than the first video. Go to effects and add in the blur into the video like so. Go to media, go to library, and add in a black stock video between those two. If you can't extend it, just freeze frame it and delete the video. Enlarge the background, go to mask and select rectangle. Then you're just going to adjust it like so, and you're going to feather it out a little. If it's too much, just make it don't feather it out too much, that's what I meant, and adjust it. And you'll have this really cool, I guess frame. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!